Hello guys and welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll talk about how to stop and terminate an EC2 instance. Before which we must talk about what it really means. So what is an EC2 instance? An EC2 instance simply represents the phrase elastic compute cloud. And what this is derived from one E and two C's. So EC2. So two C's and one E, EC2. So that's where it's derived from. Now, what does it really do? An EC2 is simply part of Amazon.com's cloud computing platform, Amazon Web Services or AWS, that allows users to rent virtual computers and use these virtual computers to run their applications. So that is simply what an EC2 is all about. So when you create an EC2, what you're doing, you're simply renting a computer to run an application on AWS. That's what you do when you create an EC2 instance. Okay, so guys, let's jump into how you can stop and terminate an EC2 instance. Now, here is our EC2 dashboard. I'm sure you're wondering, how did we even get here? It's a good question. If you go to services right here on AWS, go to services, you can see right here, you can type in EC2 and it pops up this service right here. So you can just choose this right here and it leads you into this page here. This is the EC2 dashboard. Now you can see right here on the left side, you have EC2 global view. You have here, it says instances. Choose the instances right now. And it shows you a list of all your instances, as you can see right here. For me, some are stopped and some are still running, as you can see. Okay, so how do you stop an instance and what does it really mean to stop an instance? Now, what happens is, to stop an instance, you simply go here and click on the instance right here. Let's go to our instance that's still running right here. This one is still running, as you can see, still running. Click right here at the instance and go to the right-hand corner where it says instance state. Click on the drop-down and choose stop instance. Once you do this, guys, the instance stops. And what you find is it becomes like these ones here that say stop or stopped. So that's what it is, and that's how you stop an instance. But it means that once an instance is stopped, you don't pay for the computing time anymore because the instance has been stopped. So once it is stopped, the computing time also stops, goes to zero, and you pay nothing for it. However, remember that if you have stored anything on your instance, for example, your instance has a storage capacity called the EBS. This is EBS, and this stands for Elastic Block Store. And this is simply a storage component that is also found in the EC2 instance. So what happens is, for example, if you have stored anything in this Elastic Block Storage right here, what you find is that even though you stopped your instance, you will still be charged for the storage that you have made on the EC2 instance. So you're not charged for the computing time, but you're charged for the EBS storage, which you're using. So that happens when you stop an instance. However, what happens when an instance is terminated? Let's have a look. To terminate an instance, simply go to your dashboard this way. Look at the instance. Like this one is still running. You can click on it right here. That selects the instance and then go to the right hand side of the screen at the top and click on the drop down on the instance state. That shows you the option to terminate your instance right here. So once you do this, your instance is terminated. Now, what does that really mean? This simply means that your instance that you rented from Amazon AWS is simply dead. So what happens is you're not charged for any reason because the instance has stopped running completely and has been actually deactivated. So you don't even get charged for your EBS as well. It also goes away. Whatever you stored in your EBS gets deleted, completely deleted. So you lose that as well. So be sure that you want to terminate your instance before you terminate it, because if you do terminate your instance, what happens is you lose your data completely. That's the difference between terminating your instance and stopping your instance. And knowing the difference now. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video and thank you. Bye.